was very helpful because it provided regular practice and revision, which is especially needed in subjects like math. And I would also like to thank my parents because they are my inspiration because they are very hardworking.
I'm glad that I have chosen the best tutorial for my coaching. The teachers were very supportive, they were very helpful, and the test series were also very good. They provided with us variety of questions with the answers.
The UT gives a very excellent test series that helps a lot.
The teachers explained every point very precisely and held doubt sessions.
UT has helped me a lot and it added an extra benefit. I owe my success to my parents.
Really surprised that those little bit of time that which she found, she could score so much. If she had let out all the other things I said in the first beginning, then maybe she would have done even better. But I'm very proud about what she has done. It's been a good achievement, something which we have been dreaming about.
UT helped me in the test series. Test series was really helpful to me. They took the test of the same syllabus over and over again. Early completion of syllabus that just allowed me to revise things very properly.
At UT, everything was taught during our vacations, and when the school reopened, it was just like revision for us. It was very helpful as it was like learning the same thing twice. The UT volume was also very informative and it was prepared in a very systematic manner.
It's a great feeling to see my son get 10 on 10, and I give the full credit to